We have individuals who say that any animal that is a scavenger of the sea, it is not permissible to consume. The prohibition against eating scavengers of the sea was an affair that occurs in the Bible, in the Old Testament. As far as our Sharia, in the Prophet ﷺ, he said, as it relates to the Bahr, هو الطهور ماؤه الحل ميتته, that its water is pure and its dead are halal. And so the scholars, the only thing that we need to establish is that this animal is from the animals of the sea, and that it spends the majority of its time in the sea. If that is the case, then it is halal, la ghubar alayh. There is no issue with it whatsoever. Anybody who wants to claim that there is an issue, then of course you must present the evidence, and we do not wish to hear that it's a scavenger of the sea, and we do not wish to hear aqliyat and intellectual arguments. We need a text from the Book of Allah, a text from the Sunnah of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or an ijma' of the Salaf of this ummah. Otherwise, the origin is that we act upon what is established in nusus. And what is established is that the dead of the sea are halal. And so the scavenger of the sea, for example, the Bani Israel, the Jew, will not eat mackerel, because they claim mackerel is a scavenger of the sea. While it may have been haram within their Sharia, Allah Azza wa Jal has removed that hurma for us. وَيَدَّعَ عَنْهُمْ إِسْرَهُمْ وَالْأَغْلَالَ الَّتِي كَانَتْ عَلَيْهِمْ. Allah Azza wa Jal informs us that He, the Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the Nabi al-Ummi, Allah mentions and refers to in the beginning of the ayah, الَّذِينَ يَتَّبِعُونَ الرَّسُولَ النَّبِيِّ الْأُمِّيِّ الذي يجدونه مكتوبا عندهم في التوراة والإنجيل, that those who follow the illiterate prophet, who they find with them in the Torah and the Injil, يأمرهم بالمعروف وينهاهم عن المنكر ويدع عنهم إصرهم والأغلال التي كانت عليهم. Allah Azza wa Jal mentions He commands them with good, He prohibits them from evil, and He removes from them the isr, these bonds and fetters. And from these bonds and fetters were some of the ahkam and the rulings that were upon them.